In this video, I will tell you how to cash out Solana from a Phantom wallet. So first what you need to do is open your Phantom wallet where you have your Solana ready to send. In this example, we'll be cashing out through Coinbase, but the steps are similar for most centralized exchanges. Start by opening Coinbase and tapping on Receive Crypto. By default, it will show Bitcoin, so make sure to change it to Solana. Once you've selected Solana, copy your Coinbase Solana receive address. Now go back to your Phantom wallet, tap on Solana and choose Send. Paste the Coinbase Solana address you copied, enter the amount you want to transfer, for example 0.1 Sol, and tap Next. Review the details and confirm. Once sent, you can check the transaction on SolScan if you'd like to verify. Back in Coinbase, go to My Assets and you'll see your Solana balance updated. To turn it into cash, click the three dots and choose Sell. Select the amount, either max or custom, and review the order. Tap Sell now to complete the conversion. Coinbase will deduct a small fee, so keep that in mind. Once your Solana is sold, you'll see the balance appear as US dollars under your cash section. From here, tap the three dots again and select Withdraw. Enter the amount, choose your bank account, and tap Preview. For example, withdrawing $11 to a Chase account. Finally, tap Withdraw Cash Now to send the money to your bank. That's how you transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Coinbase, convert it to USD, and withdraw to your bank. Thanks for watching.